you'll want to keep everything on the scale clean because you don't want anything affecting your measurements. If you should spill any, you should always take it, whatever it is that you're measuring out whenever you're transferring it to your waste container or receiving container after measuring. If for some reason you should spill something in there, you should clean it up properly using paper towels, and you should never use any sort of liquid unless your TA advises it. And before measuring anything, we'll want to use the tare function to help with the uncertainty.
Do we need this to be tared again?
Beautiful. Cool.
Because it's no longer on 0.
Actually,
And it's 1.890 grams.
sure. 32.
I think we should take that data down in our handy dandy notebook.
What is it? It's 30.
Okay, guys, so you're going to put your part from your camera on the video and then...
Now, one thing you're going to want to be careful to do is to get precise results. You want to use the same balance for all of your measurements. As you saw, we did use the same balance. And what that does is, let's say, for instance, you are 5/1000th of a gram off on your balance. And there's another balance across the room that is, let's go with 9/1000ths of a gram off. That would give you some imprecise data, and that's something that you want to avoid. If you have by using the same balance, we have the same margin of error, however small it may be, on all of our results. And so comparatively, once we do the subtraction, it comes out to a nil result.
And you can do.
Feel me?
Yep.
Super. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to measure the mass via difference. So we've gotten our initial mass of 32.27 grams earlier, and so we're going to open our door back up and take our watch glass full of beautiful, beautiful sample out, and we're going to transfer the sample into our receiving container, as so.
If it gets dirty, you don't have to show that. Let me know. We'll just talk and be like, this is dirty.
And now, as you can see here, there is some residue sample. And so to be completely precise, we have to remeasure the original watch glass here to make sure to take account of said residue sample. As we can see here, our remainder weight is 29.894 grams. So we're going to add that to our notebook. That will be the mass final is equal to 29.893 grams. So now, as you can see, as you follow along here, we have an initial volume and we have a final volume. And if we subtract those two, we would have our new mass of what got transferred. Pause. I tried to say pause. Keep it going. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. So you have mass transferred. Leave us with a 2.377 grams of our magical blue substance. And that is how you do mass by difference.